it's Juliette Lamar, and today we're going inside Hyperthermia Cancer Institute, which is the best cancer treatment that you've never heard of. And we are going to get a first-hand account from a current patient.
So in 2018, I was diagnosed with squamous cell carcinoma of the neck. The primary was in the tonsil, and then I had one or two in the lymph nodes. That was the beginning of everything. It kind of changed everything. And at some point in my journey, I had an RGCC test, which is a blood test where they isolate your cancer cells and then apply various forms of treatments to them. And hyperthermia scored pretty high on mine. So we really started looking heavily into hyperthermia. We were really excited when we found out that it was FDA approved here, that our insurance would cover it. There weren't a whole lot of negative side effects at all. At worst, maybe in the first week that I was receiving treatment, I would go home for about an hour. I'd have like just a little bit of soreness, like I had a heavy workout, and then that would go away. The
primary thing that we know made the biggest difference was the combination of chemotherapy and hyperthermia, because it was within,
just weeks.
Days. Yeah.
First week.
You started seeing notable change.
If I remember, in the first week, it was obvious. There was just I would come in and the nurses would say, "Oh my gosh, like what in the world? This, the change is incredible. You're already, it's flatter, or it's smaller here, Aside from the treatment, I have to say first that this specific clinic, in and of itself, just the people here, the staff, have just been amazing. It's almost like therapy in a way. You want to come every day because of the smiles and the conversations and the care that you receive.
Well, especially too because we came from Arkansas and we made the choice to find the means for him to be able to stay here over an extended period of time. We brought our children out here. I was able to come. We were very displaced. We don't have any family here. So very quickly, our friends that we made here became like a family for us. And during a very, very difficult time when you need people that genuinely care about you. And from the beginning, the first phone call I made to this place, I knew it was right, and that's why we fought for it. We had a bit of an insurance battle, but luckily, the manager here never gave up on that. He was our advocate. I get very anxious when I have to talk to insurance companies, and he just took it from me. So that, and I know that also Dr. Penzone fought calling our insurance company, getting coverage, because we had a small insurance company in Arkansas that didn't even really know what hyperthermia was, even though they had it written into their policy and we had found where they said that they covered it. It still requires that approval and the process there. So they just fought for us, which was such a gift. And I don't think you get that everywhere. So it was definitely something that we're very thankful for.